Last week I also mentioned that we would not be doing a school schedule, but we would be making a home schedule. So go ahead and write your name at the top of that page. And change the school day schedule to home schedule. Notice that to delete something, you just draw a line and then make a little loop. Again, draw a line and make a little loop. Don't have to go scratching it, making it all dark and ugly. Just put a little line through it and make a loop. So most of us like to start our days at least by 9 or 10. And so I'm going to go ahead and start a 9 o'clock day. And this is going to be morning, so it's going to be an AM. And I normally like to start with a breakfast. Right on the line, B-R-E-A-K, break. It's actually break. Breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day because you haven't eaten all night and you wake up the next morning and you break your fast. That's how breakfast came to be. You're breaking your overnight fast. And again, we're on page number 270. And we're building a quick home schedule. Maybe at 9 o'clock you can start with your breakfast. And if you start a little earlier or a little later, that's fine. But this is just an idea of how to build a schedule. After breakfast, maybe at 9:30, you want to brush your teeth. Now, I know that sometimes brushing our teeth can be something that we like to put off. But it's very important. You may want to put brush my instead of your, because I'm thinking about you guys as I write this schedule. But brush my teeth. Teeth has 2 E's. Something else we do in the morning. Oh, can we do a breakfast and a brushing the teeth at 9 o'clock? No. I don't know why I put 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So as you're writing your schedule, you can go back and reread what you've written to make sure it makes sense. So 9 o'clock breakfast, 9:30 a.m. brush my teeth. Let's see. It probably will only take about 5-10 minutes to brush my teeth because I also like to floss. Floss. So if you're going to floss, which you should floss every day, F-L-O-S-S. Now flossing gets in between the teeth. You know how your teeth have like little spaces in between them? Those little areas right there. So when you floss your teeth, you get down in those little creases in between your teeth and it cleans them. It's very important that you floss your teeth as well as brush them. Sometimes dentists will even say flossing is more important than brushing. I think they're both important, and dentists do too. Let's say it took us about 10 minutes to floss. Maybe at 9:40, I can gather my books. Or I could start my classwork. Oh, we don't call it classwork. Oh, what did I say? Schoolwork. We'll just do schoolwork. Now, you may want to say that instead of doing your schoolwork right now, you're going to read your Bible with your family. You may want to spend some time cleaning your room before you start. But this is an example. At 9, well, if I start my schoolwork at 9:40, I'll probably work until maybe 12 o'clock. And at 12 o'clock, I'm going to go ahead and have my lunch. Now at 12 o'clock, it changes from AM to PM. And then I'm probably going to go back and do a little bit more schoolwork. So at 12:45, I'll give myself about 45 minutes for lunch. 12:45 p.m., which PM means it's already changed to the afternoon. I'm going to now do some more schoolwork. Now, after I finish doing more schoolwork, I'll probably work for 2 hours at least. Well, maybe an hour and a half. So an hour and a half from 12:45. So 1 hour would be one bump, which would be 1:45. And another 30 more minutes would take it from 1:45 all the way over to 2:15. So at 2:15, which is about an hour and a half later, I am going to have playtime. I may play a game. I may call somebody on the phone. What is that fun game where you build stuff? You know, you build like cities and stuff. Civilization, or maybe I'll play Monopoly. I might play Minecraft, or I might play Mario, or I might play with my Legos, or I might play with my Barbies. Again, we're building a schedule. Can you say schedule? So I have playtime. And then since I ate at 12, I'm probably going to do maybe at least 45 minutes of playtime. So maybe at 3 o'clock I can have a snack. Again, this is still PM. A snack, and then maybe after my snack I can go for a walk. Maybe at 3:15 I can go for a walk, and then maybe when I get back I can do my shower, my walk and my shower, and then maybe I could have dinner at 5 o'clock.
We need to get out in the sun.
Dinner. Now dinner so I'm going to need to double my N. If it were diner, it'd only have one N, but dinner, the short I has two N's. Dinner and family time. Dinner and family. And then maybe after I spend time with my family, say by 8:30, I can go to bed. Bedtime. Now, your schedule may look different than mine because, again, this is what you would like to do with your schedule at home. And of course, you know that these are just examples. But notice that at 12 o'clock, it changes from AM to PM, and that's something interesting to note. Well, I hope that you enjoyed building a home schedule with me. And again, if you have completed your schedule, don't forget your star and your smiley face. Good job, guys.